In this video, we're going to focus on creating an inverted spline chart like this, with curved lines, and the data will be on the X scale instead of the Y. So to do this, the first thing what I want to do here is get the border template, which you can find here on chartjs3.com getting started. Once you're on here, scroll down and copy this chunk of code and you're good to go. Next, if you want to get the source code of this video and many others, check out my Patreon page, and of course join the Discord channel. All the links are in the description box. So first of all, let's convert this into a line chart. So once we did this, save, refresh, there we are. Next, for a spline chart, we need to make sure that these lines are not straight but have a arc or are curved. So for that, we have to play around with tension. By default, the tension is set on 0. If you refresh here, you can see that. But now, if I'm going to increase the tension to 0.4, it becomes more elastic and you can see the curves. There you are. And as we reduce the tension, for example to 1, you will see that it becomes really like an elastic band itself, making it having hardly any tension here and becomes too loose, which is not really what we want. 0.4 or 0.3 is probably the best. There we are. Now, to make it inverted, what we really want to do is we want to swap the x-axis with the y-axis. So this becomes linear and the y-axis becomes a category axis. So let's convert that now. So we're going to say in the options, we're going to say index axis, and then we're going to say here y. So we're going to swap x with y, so the data will start on x and the labels are on the y, and there we are, and now we have an inverted spline chart.